Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by claiming immediate safety. Move to the safest interior room or high ground depending on threat type. Once there, confirm water rationing, 1 gallon per person per day, and open your 72-hour kit. Make sure phones and a battery radio are powered. Swap to spare batteries if needed. While you stabilize, tell family your location and intended route, and place critical documents into a waterproof bag. These first actions buy time and prevent panic. You now shift to sustaining life and staying informed. Tend wounds immediately, apply direct pressure and dress them, then stabilize anyone with suspected fractures. Ration food and water to stretch supplies, and switch devices to low-power mode. Charge only essential gear from a solar charger or power bank. Maintain contact by texting short messages to conserve bandwidth, and keep a radio tuned to official updates so you can adapt plans as conditions change. You complete the process by moving only when advised. Follow evacuation routes, take your go bag, medications, and pets, and lock your home if possible. Once safe, record damage with timestamps and photos for insurance and aid applications. If roads are blocked and you cannot evacuate, prioritize visible signals, wave bright cloths, sound a whistle, use mirror or flashlight bursts, and create a small, smoky fire only if safe to attract attention. If help doesn't arrive, reevaluate shelter options and conserve energy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.